Hello YouTube. This is a unboxing and review of the portable donut humidifier found on Amazon. Many different resellers sell similar versions. This one I picked up recently for a trip. I will unbox it here to show you what it comes with. It comes with some filters, extra ones. It came with its own bottle that you can use, or you can use a regular water bottle. Some instructions, the device itself, which can be disconnected, as you can see here, that has a filter inside and made into a smaller version with a shorter filter that's smaller for a smaller type device, such as a mug or cup of water and such. It seems like a great idea, and the cable is here as such. One more filter, so you get two small ones and two long filters. They state that they need to be changed regularly. The instructions also state that the filters should be soaked and wet in order for it to work properly. So I will go fill this with tap water. Which it instructs us to do. After filling with tap water, it's stating that we should soak this in the water for some time. While this is soaking, I'll describe the process. It says also not to fill the whole bottle all the way, as it can overflow when you put this inside as well. So since we are going with the longer version, we'll have both of these connected together. They snap on just like this, and the cable can be taken, plugged into any USB charger, and plugged into the device. The device itself has a charge area and a button for a switch. It does not have a battery. It must be plugged in at all times for it to be functioning. At this time, after sufficient soaking, I feel that we've done a good amount of soaking. The item will be placed into the area, and after it's placed in here as such, okay, there is a spring on the bottom, so when you push it, you'll feel that it springs back up, and that's so that it sits flush on here. So when you click it, you'll hear it click. Now you have the whole device. It says H2O, and you have the area of where the water soaks into. You slide that into any device that's soaking, and you notice how the water level rises as you go in. At this point, you should be able to plug this in and turn it on. It's plugged in and ready to go. At this point, you're supposed to be able to push on the button. Adjust our camera here so that you can see it better, hopefully. And we will turn our lights off so you can see, and we will turn it on. At this point, we are not having any success. Unfortunately, I have tried this item a few times as such, and it does not seem to work. I plug it in, I get a light, and then the light quickly turns off and nothing works. After reading the instructions and after going through it, I can tell you I feel that this item is not made of good quality and does not appear to function well. At this time, I cannot recommend purchasing one of these items, as I feel that their quality is not what I would expect. Thank you, and please like or share or subscribe, and more reviews will be coming soon.